This single AI prompt builds a full WordPress plugin that auto-shares posts to Facebook and Telegram, and I tested it with Claude. Here's the exact prompt I used. You are an expert WordPress plugin developer. Build a complete production-ready WordPress plugin called Social Poster AI that automatically publishes WordPress posts to social media platforms. The plugin should include a full admin settings page inside the WordPress dashboard where users can input API keys for platforms like Facebook and Telegram. Use placeholder API integration functions, not real credentials, define a default post format template, and enable or disable auto posting. The plugin must automatically trigger social posting when a WordPress post is published, formatting the post title, excerpt, and permalink into a shareable message. It should also include a manual share to social button in the post editor that allows users to trigger posting manually. Add a scheduling system using WP cron so users can schedule posts to be shared at a later time. Structure the plugin properly with separate files including a main plugin file, an admin settings file, a social posting handler file, and a scheduler file, all following WordPress coding standards. Ensure all inputs are sanitized and validated. Use nonces for form security and prevent direct file access to PHP files. Include a simple logging system that records successful and failed post attempts. Optionally add a basic dashboard stats section showing how many posts have been shared. The output must include the full folder structure, complete working code for every file, and clear instructions on how to install, activate, and test the plugin locally in WordPress. Do not skip any files, do not use external paid APIs, and ensure the plugin is fully functional and ready for real-world use, and click Send. Now, while Claude is building this, let me explain what's actually happening behind the scenes. What I've basically done here is give it a full production-level requirement, not just a simple script. So instead of just generating random code, it's structuring a full WordPress plugin, meaning we should get a main plugin file, admin settings, and all the core logic separated properly. This is actually the difference between using AI for small snippets and using it for real software development. Most people just ask AI for quick code fixes, but here, I'm forcing it to behave like a senior developer building a real product. And if this works properly, this means you can actually use the same approach to build SaaS tools, plugins, or even client projects without writing everything from scratch. Right now, it's probably setting up the folder structure and core functions first, then it should move into the admin dashboard and posting logic. So I'm going to let it finish, and once it's done, we'll go step by step and test everything inside WordPress to see if it actually works or breaks. Alright, it's done, building the plugin. I'm just going to download it, head to WordPress, install it, and activate it. The plugin is installed, but I can't seem to find the social poster on the menu list, but according to Claude, it should be under the settings menu. Okay, I think this is it. I'm just going to open it and see how it looks. Alright, this looked good, but we only have Facebook and Telegram, which are also good platforms to post content. Right below the title is a brief explanation of what the plugin does. It allows us to connect Facebook and Telegram accounts so that every new post published on our website can be shared automatically. Let's start with the general section. The first option available is auto posting. This setting acts as the master switch for the entire plugin. The plugin provides a direct reference to Meta for Developers, which is Facebook's official platform for creating applications and managing API access. This is where you'll generate the page access token required for posting content automatically. Below that is the page access token field. Once you've generated your token from Meta for Developers, simply paste it into this box. Moving further down, we arrive at the Telegram integration section. Telegram setup requires two pieces of information, a bot token and a chat ID. First is the bot token field. This token is obtained through Telegram's BotFather service. BotFather is Telegram's official tool for creating and managing bots. After creating a new bot, BotFather provides a unique token that allows this plugin to communicate with Telegram on your behalf. Simply copy that token and paste it into this field. Next is the Chat ID field. The Chat ID tells the plugin exactly where messages should be delivered. You can enter a channel username such as @mychannel, or you can use a numeric group or channel ID. The description underneath confirms that this destination can be a channel, group, or even an individual user account. Please like this video and subscribe. Thank you.